I make over $10,000 in my AI automation agency, servicing clients that make millions. And I'm about to tell you why learning n8n might be the worst decision you make in 2026, unless you know what you're walking into. I wasted 6 months learning n8n the wrong way. I lost several clients, I rebuilt automations over and over again, and I spent nights debugging stuff that should have been really simple. But here's the thing, most people quit n8n after 2 weeks, not because it's too hard, but because YouTube tutorials teach you the wrong way. Today I'm going to show you why most YouTube tutorials set you up for failure, the real timeline of learning n8n, and the exact breakthrough moment that changes everything. And if you stick around until the end, I'll show you how to avoid 3 mistakes that kills most people's progress. So let's start with the brutal truth about tutorials. Imagine this, you land your first automation client tomorrow, and they want a simple lead personalization workflow with follow-up emails. You confidently quote them 1 week. Why? Because you've watched all the YouTube tutorials, and you've got workflow templates saved from X Twitter. But 3 weeks later, you're screwed. The workflow works fine in testing, but when you run 500 real leads through it, you see duplicate leads everywhere. Data's not mapping to the right fields, and you're seeing random errors you've never seen before. Now you're spending day and night debugging what should have been a very straightforward email workflow. But here's my point. This isn't your fault. Most tutorials use test data in a perfect scenario, and nobody shows you what happens when you scale from 5 leads to 500. And that's the first trap. So here's what actually happens when you learn n8n. Week 1, you build simple workflows, a HTTP request node, AI agents, and Airtable. And you feel good connecting nodes and sending messages. But then you hit a wall, because now you need nodes you don't know how to configure, and you're building workflows that need to be rebuilt 2 or 3 times. And this is where the real learning starts. Weeks 2 to 3, this is where the real learning starts, and things start clicking. Now you have multi-step workflows, conditional logic, and HTTP requests. Data flow finally makes sense, and this is where most people get hooked. They see the potential, but you'll also hit more errors, especially with API integrations. In month 2, you get dangerous. Now you're building custom branching logic, complex AI prompts, and code nodes. But here's the problem. You start over-engineering everything. You're trying to build a 30-node workflow when a 5-node automation would work better. And at this stage, simplicity is your superpower. Month 3, this is where you level up. You're building sub-agents, scrapers, complex AI agents, knowledge bases, and more. And you're not just connecting nodes anymore. You're building fast, reliable automations that actually work. But even if you know that timeline, you'll still fail if you make these 3 mistakes. You watch endless tutorials. You save 30, 40, or even 50 workflows from Twitter X, but you never actually build something valuable. I get DMs all the time from people who've saved dozens of workflow templates, but they can't build a simple lead enrichment automation from scratch because they're addicted to learning and not doing. And everyone wants to build a 30-node automation just so they can post it on LinkedIn. But what's my highest earning automation is this UGC ads creator, and it's only 11 nodes. And I'm selling this to one of my clients who runs an e-commerce consumer brand. His business is on track to make $50 million this year, and he's literally using this automation to create hundreds of ads that he can test on TikTok and Instagram. And my point here is stop trying to impress people and start solving expensive problems, because you can master every node in n8n and you can become a technical wizard. But if you don't know how to extract painful problems from clients or even how to get in front of them, your skills are wasted. Automation is a business skill, not just a technical one. So here's the breakthrough that changes everything. Stop building workflows and start solving problems. Instead of saying, I want to learn n8n, ask yourself, how can I automate this 5,000 a month process? Then learn the nodes you need for that specific solution, or find a similar template and reverse engineer it. My biggest breakthrough came when I stopped watching YouTube tutorials and started reverse engineering automations that actually made money. And that's how I built a $10,000 a month agency working with clients that make millions. But honestly, I've made countless mistakes getting there. It's been months of trial and error. I've built broken workflows. I've even had frustrated clients. And that's why I created the Automation Kings private community. It's designed to take you from 0 to n8n operator in 90 days. I even have a course on how to start your own AI agency in 16 days. So when I first started my AI agency, it took me 30 days from concept to creating it and finding my first $1,000 client. But I'll show you how you can do that in 16 days because I know all the shortcuts. I'll help you build production-ready workflows. I'll guide you through troubleshooting and how you can make more money using AI automation. Most of the students in there work 9 to 5, but they wanted to build an AI agency, or they want to use AI and create a side hustle. And some of the members are beginners who've never used AI, but I've got everything covered for you inside of this community. And as a community owner, I'll be completely honest with you. Most people quit in week 2, and it's not because n8n is hard. It's because they're learning the wrong way. And trust me when I say this, you don't need more tutorials. You need a real problem to solve and the discipline to keep building when things get messy. So if you're serious about mastering AI automation without wasting months to figure it out alone, click on the link in the video description, sign up to the Automation Kings community, and I'll see you on the inside. And if you made it this far, thank you so much. You know that your support to this channel means the world to me. Smash the like button if you got some value from this. Turn the notifications on so you know when the next video drops. And more importantly, subscribe if you haven't done so, and I'll see you next time.